Hello guys, today we are going to discuss about how to factory reset on HP laptop.
Here are the steps to factory reset an HP laptop. 1. Backup any important files or data you wish to keep, as resetting the laptop to its factory settings will erase all data on the hard drive. 2. Restart the laptop and press the F11 key repeatedly until the HP Recovery Manager opens. 3. Select System Recovery from the Recovery Manager menu. 4. Choose the option to backup your files if you haven't done so already, or skip this step if you've already backed up your files. 5. Follow the on-screen instructions to continue with the system recovery process. 6. If prompted, choose the option to minimize my data, which will reduce the amount of personal data that's restored after the reset. 7. Wait for the recovery process to complete. This may take some time, so be patient and let the process run to completion. 8. Once the recovery process is complete, follow the on-screen prompts to set up your laptop, as you would when first turning on a new device. That should do it. Let me know if you have any further questions or concerns.